Welcome everyone to another video. Today in this video I like to share you guys Redmi Note 9 Pro camera review after Miui 12. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So let's start the video. Redmi Note 9 Pro comes with 64 megapixel main lens with 1.9 aperture, 8 megapixel ultra wide 2.2 aperture, 5 megapixel macro 2.4 aperture and 2 megapixel depth 2.4 aperture. Redmi Note 9 Pro main camera you can record highest 4K 30fps video and you also record 1080 30fps, 60fps and 120fps slow-mo video and also 240fps and 960fps slow-mo video.